These are some of the top investing apps for 2023. More and more people are learning to invest in the stock market through mobile devices. And choosing the right provider is an important decision because it could make the difference between paying nothing and paying thousands of dollars of fees throughout your investing career. Luckily though, nowadays, most brokerages are free to join with no commission on trades. Here are the top 3 picks based on features, ratings, and experience. Number 3, TD Ameritrade. This might change because it's currently merging with Schwab. I personally use TD Ameritrade and Schwab. They have commission-free ETF and stock trading and decent customer support. The app has all of the accessories that you need to manage your money on the go. The interface is simple and easy to use. This is one of the best apps for beginner investors to advanced traders. They have good education resources and it's also good for fund investors. Number 2, Webull. Webull is one of the best brokers in terms of cost, with not only free stock and options trading, but also no per contract options fee. It was built to be user-friendly for a mobile first generation, but it also has good advanced stock charting and screening tools. Webull users can also get 5% annual interest on uninvested cash, which is some of the highest of any broker. This might be best for intermediate traders, active traders, but also options traders and cryptocurrency traders. Number 1, Fidelity. Fidelity has $0 trading commissions and no account fees that can erode returns. It has a lot of research tools and a customizable platform. It also has a strong reputation for its mutual funds, especially with their no transaction fee funds with no expense ratio and that don't require a minimum investment. This is usually a good platform for frequent traders, beginner investors, and also people looking for retirement planning assistance. What investing app is your favorite?